Hello friends, today I am going to discussing about very important topic, that is introduction of organic chemistry. Okay, today I am going discussing about introduction of organic chemistry. What is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is a branch of science, that is chemistry. Very important, very most important. Organic chemistry is a branch of chemistry. Okay, what is the introduction of organic chemistry? Mainly, this organic chemistry or this organic compound mainly occurs in the nature for our food, clothes, and many for our medicines, and very important for our energy. These are from our nature occurring this organic compound, and in this organic compound mainly organic molecules which includes our body like proteins, next DNA, and blood, muscles, skin. These are the our organic compounds or organic molecules are which are included in our body. We are possible to make our life. This is the introduction of organic chemistry, and uh, whatever these are the introduction of organic chemistry. Mainly this organic chemistry deals about or study about the hydrocarbons. Okay, and before we are going to study about hydrocarbons. So first of all, preparation of first organic compound, that is urea. Who prepared this organic compound, that is urea, from laboratory? From ammonium cyanide, by heating takes place, it forms a urea. That is our first organic compound by Friedrich Wöhler proposed. That equation we see now. From ammonium cyanide, NH4OCN, from ammonium cyanide by heating takes place, it forms urea. NH2 bond, C double bond O, NH2. This is the urea from ammonium cyanide. From ammonium cyanide, it forms urea by heating takes place. This is the first organic compound prepared from laboratory by Friedrich Wöhler. Friedrich Wöhler. This is the first organic compound prepared by Friedrich Wöhler from laboratory. Okay. Now I am going to discussing about this organic chemistry mainly deals with the hydrocarbons. Now, in this introduction of organic chemistry, this organic chemistry mainly deals with the study about hydrocarbons. What are the hydrocarbons? Carbon hydrogen containing compounds is called as hydrocarbons. For example, hydrocarbons. These hydrocarbons mainly obtained from petroleum, and second one natural gas, or coal. Okay, what is the hydrocarbons? Carbon hydrogen containing compounds is called as hydrocarbons. These hydrocarbons are mainly obtained from petroleum and natural gas and or coal. These are obtaining from hydrocarbons. Okay, now hydrocarbons is nothing but mainly important energy sources. Hydrocarbons is very important source of energy. For example, petrol, kerosene, petrol, kerosene, CNG, compressor natural gas, and LPG, liquid petroleum gas, and LNG, liquid natural gas, and oil gas, etc. These are all a mixture of hydrocarbons that is petrol, kerosene, compressed natural gas, liquid petroleum gas, liquid natural gas, oil gas, etc. These are the mixture of hydrocarbons containing compounds is very important source of energy in our nature, our society. Okay, these are the hydrocarbons and its uses. What are the uses of hydrocarbons? Mainly this hydrocarbons is used in the manufacture of plastics, that is polymers and dyes and solvents for a paints. These are the uses of hydrocarbons: manufacture of polymers, dyes and solvents for a paints. We are using these hydrocarbons. Now we are going to classification of hydrocarbons. Classification of hydrocarbons. Classification of hydrocarbons. What are the classifications? There are three types of classifications. Saturated hydrocarbons, and unsaturated hydrocarbons. And third one, that is aromatic hydrocarbons. Okay, for example, we are seeing in saturated hydrocarbons, for example, alkanes. Alkanes are nothing but, for example, methane, CH4. For example, C bond C, single bond containing compounds is called as alkanes or saturated hydrocarbons. Here another second classification, that is unsaturated hydrocarbons. For example, in this unsaturated hydrocarbons, alkene, double bond or multiple bonds containing compound is called as multiple containing hydrocarbon is called as unsaturated hydrocarbon. For example, CH2, ethylene, or acetylene. So okay, acetylene, ethylene and acetylene, examples of unsaturated hydrocarbons. What is the unsaturated hydrocarbon? Multiple bonds containing compound, that is double bond or triple bond containing compounds is called as unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, here saturated hydrocarbon is also a cyclic compound. This is also a cyclic compound. This is also a saturated hydrocarbon. Okay, now saturated hydrocarbons, these are also examples of saturated hydrocarbons. Now third example, that is aromatic hydrocarbons. For examples, benzene, naphthalene, examples of aromatic hydrocarbons. These are the classifications of hydrocarbons. Okay, I hope you can understand this introduction of organic chemistry. Thank you.